Hey everybody, I'm outside with the IBC totes here, and we are going to attempt to do laundry. So, in order for me to do that, first thing I need is water. So, I have put together a fitting for the IBC tote. The IBC tote has a 2-inch diameter connection point down here at the bottom, and we needed to get that down to 3/4 inch for the garden hose. So let me show you how I did that. All right. So, whoops, camera. Get a little bit close here. So this is a 2-inch to 1.5 reducer. It is a flexible coupler, and you just cinch it with these hose clamps. And the reducer comes with those, so you don't even have to buy those. And then I have a reducer here. Again, it's PVC reducer. It's 1.5 inches to 3/4, and that fits right up inside there, as you can see. And then from there, we have plumber's taped a hose spigot on there to shut the water on and off. Pretty simple. So, for garden hose purposes, this works pretty well. And when we are going to do other water systems, like taking it to the garden, we won't be using garden hoses, because that won't give us enough water pressure. We'll want to use 2-inch line. Gravity feeds a lot different than what you would use in a normal plumbing system in a house, because they have water pumps and water pressure, head pressure from water towers and whatnot, and we don't have that. So I will go ahead and get this hooked up, and we'll move on to the next bit of laundry. Nothing for it to leak on. It's got a couple of nubs here that I'm concerned about. Not sure what it's attached to. Oh, it's just a rotation plate point. Okay. So I need to make sure it's on top of that. Oh. Should be able to get my screwdriver in there. I'll make sure this is upright so I can get to the spigot okay. I might have to move the hose clamp around. Alright, let's just see if we have any leaks.
a slow drip right there. Let's cinch this up tighter. Well, the leak is not getting any slower, sadly. Not quite sure what to do about that. If any of you plumbers have a trick to help that seal, I would love to hear about it. But it will have to do for now. But it immediately stops as soon as I close that, so that'll do. I can hook my hose up to it. I don't need to keep this on here anymore. So, y'all know what size it is, so it's all good. I guess we'll get ready for the next part of laundry. All right, we've started the water and it is going into the bucket. And it is flowing. Yay. Now I know what you're thinking. Dawn, you said we were going to do laundry. This looks like we're going to mop a floor. Well, no, we're not mopping any floors. We are going to do laundry. And it is going to be with air temperature water because I always wash my clothes cold anyway. I don't have a washing machine out here. I live in the boonies. I could go to the laundromat, but that's more money than I want to spend today. Plus, I need to test this out. So, Layman's sells a wonderful hand washing machine for over $1,000, and that is more money than I want to spend today. So I purchased this handy dandy Rubbermaid commercial bucket with a wringer at Lowe's for, gosh, I can't remember how much it was. It was less than $120. I do remember that. And I figure I'll fill this up with water, put my dirty clothes and my soap in it. I will agitate it with this brand spanking new sink plunger to be my agitator. And once I'm finished with that, I will wring it in there to squish all the extra water out. And then we'll hang it to dry on that drying rack over there. And I need to shut this water off. Pardon me. All right, water's been shut off. I'm going to put my soap in there and start agitating. Let me switch camera views. All right, I'm currently filling up my rinse bucket. That bucket cost me nothing. I got it from a restaurant that used to hold pickles. So, free is good. We got enough water in there now. Perfect. I have some Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap. Biodegradable. So, biodegradable is good. That should be plenty. Right there. Let's grab some laundry. I have a few things here that I need to do. So we'll save the jeans for last, I think. I'm only going to do a small amount of laundry because that rack doesn't, I don't know how much that rack holds yet, so we shall see. I do have a laundry basket, but it currently has stuff in it. So I am using an old pillowcase as a laundry sack for the moment. It works. And that is the name of the game. Don't laugh if it works. Alright. So immediately I've got some suds going, which is good. I think if I'm going to do this long term, I'm going to want to get a longer stick. This is working out pretty well. I'm going to do this for a few minutes, so I'm going to go grab a stool to sit on while I do it. And I'll speed this up for you because you don't need to watch me do this for 15 minutes. Alright, exciting stuff. Now I get to wring it out, throw it in the rinse water. Got a shirt in there. I'm going to just use my leverage here. I think it would do better if there was more stuff in there. More things to compress. Soap and the dirty water out. Remember, this is my first time doing this, so. And the water goes in the dirty water. Wow, a lot of dirty water coming in that. That's good. And we hang it up. I move my camera so you can see me hang it up. Not that you really need to see somebody hang laundry. I'm sure that's pretty self-explanatory. But You never know. I should probably put the short things on the bottom. And the longer things up top. I'm not going to use a sock on the ground here. Probably should turn these out inside out for drying purposes. Keep the sun from bleaching out the blacks. Things my mom taught me when I was a kid. She used to line dry to save electricity. Dry inside out. That's pretty much it. I'm going to continue working on this, and I'll see you after I'm finished. Well, alright, the laundry's all done. My rack's not completely full, but I do notice the things that are up higher on the rack are dripping on the things that are lower than the rack, and it's not real stable on this thing because I've loaded it top heavy. So I may take the jeans off and hang them on one of the totes to dry. And for future reference, I might put it on top of a board to give it just a little better footing than this gravel. But I think it'll work for today, and I'm going to call this one a success. If you've enjoyed it, if you learned something, like and subscribe. And if you got any questions or just want to comment, you know where to do it. Have a great day.